My mom has them.
Put them in the elevator.
Can I please get up, please?
No, you will stay right here until my partner comes.
I have asthma, so I have to get up. I have asthma. Thank you. Can I get up and have asthma?
On January 2, 2026, at 9:27 a.m., what began as a routine parking enforcement call involving a tow truck turned into a high-stakes standoff when Regina blocked officers from reading her vehicle's VIN.
So was it this car?
Correct.
Okay. Just make sure got the plate. Just gotta get the plate off your
No,
car.
you don't. How can I help you?
I'm just gonna get the plate off the car.
And I'm saying, why do you need to do that?
What's the problem?
Why do you need to do that?
Are you about to drive away?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. This is not like a game. You're recording too.
You don't need my license plate.
Why? Are you saying like you're not a valid driver?
I am a valid driver.
Okay.
But why do you need to copy my license plate, though? You're not answering that question. And what is your name, ma'am?
It's right here.
Okay, if you're not answering the person question, why do you need to copy someone's VIN number and license plate? Can you please tell me that? Can you please tell me that, ma'am? You guys, I'm recording her. She doesn't want to tell me why she want to copy my license plate or anything like that. So can I please have your name and why you copy my information? I do have the right to know that.
I already have it. Thanks.
Have a good day. That's freedom of speech, honey.
If you want to talk like that on camera, that's fine. You're just showing yourself true colors.
But you didn't tell me why you copy my information. Thank you. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
This is my car.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Don't touch
As
me.
you guys see, guys, I'm touching myself and not her. Excuse me, don't touch me. You're touching me.
You're touching
you guys,
me.
as you see, it's a video. She's touching me. Look, can I please get,
29.
I'm trying to open my car door.
Get away from me.
I'm trying to open my car trunk.
Get away from
Can
me.
I please open my car trunk without you by my car? Thank you.
I intend to. Get away from
I'm
me.
not touching you. Don't touch me. You guys see this? Stop touching me. You guys see this? Stop touching me.
Get away from me.
I'm by my car.
Get away from me.
I'm by my car. Stop touching me. I am by my car. Stop touching me, ma'am.
Get away from me.
I'm not by you. I'm not touching you.
I need help.
I'm not touching you.
Let go. You're being detained.
I'm not. You not touching me.
You're being detained. You're not cooperating. You're being detained.
Can you stop touching me? I didn't touch you, honey. I didn't touch you, honey.
Turn around.
No,
right
I did
now.
not
You're
touch
not
you.
listening.
I did not touch you, so I did not have a.
You're not listening. You're being
Oh my
detained.
God. Record this. You see this?
You're
Thank
being
you so
detained.
much for recording me. Stop
You're not
touching me.
listening. Stop resisting.
Stop
You're
touching
not
me.
listening.
Can you please tell me?
Stop
Please?
resisting.
You guys tell my mom.
You're
I'm not
not
touching her.
listening.
I'm not here for you.
You're not listening.
Okay, I'm not touching her.
Stop resisting.
I'm not touching you. I'm not. Stop touching me, please.
29 times a
Stop
chance.
touching me. Can you not stop touching me? Why do you guys touching me? Why are you touching me? He's a man. A man's not supposed to touch me. Stop, man. That's supposed to touch me. He's touching me. Stop. He's touching me.
Stop
I don't want
resisting.
him touching me.
Stop
He's
resisting.
touching me.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. No.
Okay.
Other hand.
Stop behind my back.
Stop resisting
I'm not
now.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
You don't touch a law enforcement officer.
She got recorded. You finna go to jail, okay?
Let go of your hand.
She has her all recorded. You finna be so screwed. Thank you so much.
Newsflash, you're being recorded this entire time.
I'm not resisting. Can I please get up now? No, you cannot touch my car door.
Baby's in that car.
No, it's not. My mom has them.
Put them in the elevator.
Can I please get up, please?
No, you will stay right here until my partner comes.
I have asthma, so I have to get up. I have asthma. Thank you. I can't breathe. Can I please? I have to lift my arms up.
You could keep your hand behind your back.
My hands behind my back. Can you show her the video, please? Ma'am, can you look at that video? I remember it says nothing. No, please show her the video.
I'm gonna help you by pulling this down a little bit here.
Okay, because I told you multiple times.
Can you, I don't want her to touch me. Because she's doing something wrong. Let me go.
Stop resisting.
Can I take
Let me go. I want her to touch me. Let me go. Stop touching me. I was talking out. Let me go.
Stop.
Stop.
Don't squeeze me.
Stop.
Stop.
You guys see this?
Stop.
Stop squeezing me.
Stop.
Stop.
Take a breath for me. Stop.
Stop.
Lean up against the
Let go of me.
I'm not even.
Let's go.
Let go.
Let's
Calm down. Take
go.
a breath.
Let me go. Because she's doing my hand now. Thank you. Let me go now, dumb bitch.
I'll take her.
She said, let me go.
No, you're not going.
Can you let me go, please?
I'm gonna walk you over to her.
Okay, can you tell her let me go, please? I'm asking. Can you tell her let me go? Thank you, dumb.
Okay. Walk with me. We're gonna go
Why are you trying to follow me?
Walk with
You
me.
don't show them that what you
Walk
told me.
with me.
Get out my face.
Walk with
Go.
Walk with me. Come with me.
Go ahead.
I'm cool.
We're gonna walk up to the car.
I'm sorry right here. Can I get these off now, please? Excuse me, ma'am. Did she touch me first? She threw me on the ground first. I didn't even touch her.
So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna walk you to the squad car.
I am.
Walk you to the squad car. So
I'm suing you. Hey.
Listen to her, please.
I need you to walk with me. We're gonna walk up to the squad car up here.
No, why am I walking to the squad
Because
car?
you are currently detained.
For what?
For touching me.
I never. She said to take me. Did I touch her?
Walk.
Did I touch her?
Walk.
Thank you. 20 seconds. Touch her.
Okay. We don't need to make this worse, right? So let's just walk.
Can you detain me, please? Actually, I need my phone.
We'll get.
The administrative dispute dissolved into a physical struggle and an arrest for obstruction after Regina refused multiple commands to step away from the car. When a minor civil disagreement escalates this quickly,
I don't like this box. I need my
I'm
phone.
going back there. Just walk with me.
Stop touching me.
You need to cooperate then.
I'm gonna make sure you get my phone. That's it.
2-5 out with him.
Stop
You
touching
need
me.
to walk.
Can you tell her stop touching me?
I'll have this other officer grab on your arm.
So, I don't want her to touch me.
Okay,
That's it.
here we go.
Okay.
Where are we going? We're gonna walk over here, okay?
Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Regina.
Regina, okay.
Okay, well, right now, until I know what's going on, I'm not releasing
Okay,
her.
can she please get off me, please? I want her away from me.
Right now we're gonna face
Okay,
this
that's
car.
fine, but can you tell her please let me stop coming?
Okay. She's walking away, okay?
Thank you. But she's not walking away. Can you tell her move, please?
Listen, you need to just relax.
I am, but she touched me for no reason. How do you guys feel?
Okay, just face that way. I'm gonna search you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have nothing. I don't have to search me.
Okay. You got nothing on you?
I don't even have pockets.
Okay. I see you're upset.
Why
but we're gonna
are you
make sure-
patting me down if I didn't do nothing wrong?
Hey, Regina, here's the deal. You're in handcuffs. I gotta make sure you don't have any weapons on you.
They all just told you guys I didn't touch her.
I just got here, okay?
Struggling with her for a little bit. They're still basically struggling with her.
Here's the deal.
That's not fair.
Here's the deal.
That's all wrong.
Here's the deal.
She even allowed the other men to touch me.
Listen, I can't look at the video until I have you calm
Okay.
down, okay? I want to look at the video.
All I was trying to do is get the plate. She would not move out of the way.
I didn't get arrested. I didn't do anything wrong.
We're going to have you sit in the squad car, and then we're going
No,
to
I'm not.
investigate what happened.
I'm not sitting in that squad car now.
And I went over to try to get the men.
Look at me without my inhaler.
Okay, we'll leave
I'm
that
not.
at the door.
I'll sit
gonna
right
sit
here
on the curb.
I will sit down or stand up, but I'm not gonna go
Sit
anywhere.
down. You're gonna sit down.
She's like, this was, and I said, get away from me. Back away.
I can't have to breathe. Sorry.
You're gonna sit
I'm
down.
Stand right here. I won't go.
And then she wouldn't, so I tried to detain her, just get her away from me. It's turned into this whole thing.
Hold on. You got cuffs on you. I'm just gonna read you your rights, okay? Because I don't want you to
I'm
say
not going
anything that could possibly incriminate you. So I just want to make sure we're doing this the right
I
way.
got
Okay.
video.
Okay, that's cool.
And they got video.
Just gonna read you your rights, okay?
And when I'm trying to put her in cuffs, she's like, digging into me. She wouldn't stop.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, I know she's being sued.
Okay.
Can you start with telling me kind of what, like,
Yes, I woke up this morning to see the gentleman and her kind of arguing about her vehicle. She lives here. She was telling them essentially, I live here. You can't tow my stuff.
They were trying to tow my truck. My complex gave me permission to park my car there. He said it was okay.
The guy in the blue shirt? And who is he?
Poured my VIN number and license plate. I would ask her like, ma'am, can you tell me why that you want this information?
And who's her? Who's the lady?
Property manager comes out to let them know that she lives here, can't tow her stuff. I don't know. Then the cops showed up, and then they're trying to get her vehicle number at the top and her license plate. And she was letting them know, I don't want you to have my vehicle number and my license plate.
The other police officer, I don't know her name. She never even told me her name on the scene.
Okay.
She hopped on the scene, didn't tell me the name.
Okay.
Why she wanted my information? I said, ma'am, I do have the right to know. Why are you taking
So
my
where
VIN number?
was your car?
Right back there.
It's that white one? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I said, I do have the right to know why you take my information now. She will not tell me. It's okay.
And the cop and her are kind of going around the car like a merry-go-round. And then this is where it got intense. She just came straight through and was being pretty aggressive.
Okay.
She will not tell me she was asinine. So I'm like blocking right in front of the, so she couldn't take my license plate down. So she's pushing me. Then she allowed that man to put his hands on me. You're not a police officer. She allowed that man to slam me down, throw me on the ground and some more stuff.
Okay.
I get the situation was escalated and there was a lot going on. And then the guys came over and helped throw her on the ground. 9 officers, tow truck men.
could you hear anything being said?
Oh yes, I can hear it. My speaker's pretty low.
So this tow company was here already?
Yeah, they were here already. Yeah.
Okay.
But she kept saying, don't touch me, don't touch me.
Now that I have
So we're gonna watch all the video, get everything figured out, okay? So who called the tow truck?
I don't know, ma'am. Bring my phone over here, please.
No, you're not going to be able to use a phone. You're not going to be able to use a phone.
FaceTime daddy. And you can put the phone in my face. I can.
No, you can't.
Yes,
You're
you can.
detained right now.
When we're all done with this, then you can call whoever you want.
Hey, grab my
You're not
phone.
talking to anybody right now.
I can talk. I have the right to talk to
We're
anybody.
going to put her in the SWAT. In the squad.
Just gonna sit right here. We'll get the AC going, okay?
We're just going to have you sit in the car right now.
They just trying to detain me. Hold on.
You are detained. You're in handcuffs.
They trying. You don't gotta be smart, you asshole. But I'm just saying you don't gotta be an asshole.
All right, have a seat, Regina,
I'm saying
okay?
you're not able to talk to anybody.
Just put your feet in. We'll get the air going, okay?
I can't talk to my daughter.
Not right now.
No, that he can talk to me. That's my dad. My dad has the right to talk
No, he
to me.
doesn't.
I didn't do anything wrong. Again, I'm
You're
not
being
detained.
detained.
I'm not
Okay.
detained.
You
for
are
no reason.
detained, okay? You're detained until we figure this investigation
How long
out,
is it gonna
okay? As soon as I'm done talking to you, I can go talk to them, okay?
Following the arrest on January 2, 2026, Regina was transported to the local holding facility for formal booking and processing. What began as a standard morning parking enforcement call involving a tow truck company rapidly deteriorated after her persistent refusal to allow officers to document her vehicle's VIN and license plate. The mid-morning confrontation escalated into a physical struggle in the street as she repeatedly resisted the officers' attempts to separate her from the vehicle to complete their investigation. Even after her father arrived on the scene and was thoroughly briefed by the responding sergeant, the administrative charges remained in place. In court, the body camera footage documenting the transition from a civil parking dispute into active physical non-compliance served as the foundation for the prosecution's case. Regina was formally arraigned on charges of resisting and obstructing a law enforcement officer, with the judge emphasizing the necessity of lawful cooperation during routine administrative duties before scheduling her next court appearance. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.